Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials. Today's video is about resonators and registers. What is a resonator? A resonator is a cavity inside your body or somewhere else, but now inside your body, that amplifies the sound. Our vocal cords create the sound, but they need some cavity to amplify it, like a guitar body amplifies the strings of the guitar. And if the guitar didn't have its body, the strings would have to vibrate much more. And the same happens with our vocal cords. If the sound doesn't go to our resonators, our vocal cords have to vibrate much more and they start over-exerting. Okay? So if we don't use our resonators, our vocal cords over-exert. They work too much. What resonators do we have? We have a lot of resonators. We have a lot of cavities in our skull. So our skull has the cavities in its bones. Here there are cavities in our nasal cavity, somewhere in our head. So all this is called head resonator. We also have nasal resonator, which is used for mixed singing, and our chest resonator. Actually, we have much more, but they are linked in groups, in 3 groups: chest resonator, head resonator, and nasal resonator. Okay, and what is a register? Register, quote, is a range of notes in your voice with the same tonal quality. It's the range of notes in your voice. We have chest voice and head voice. I think we also have whistle voice, but now let's talk about chest voice and head voice. Chest voice and head voice overlap. It means that they have a certain amount of notes that can be sung both in chest voice and head voice. Okay, but why is chest voice called chest voice and head voice called head voice? We have to determine what's the difference between resonators and registers, because they are different things. Head voice is called head voice because it resonates in our head register. Why does this happen? Because the bigger the cavity is, the lower sounds can resonate in it. For example, if a guitar has a big body, it has bassy sound. It has a lot of low frequencies, ooh, like this. If the guitar is small, like ukulele, for example, so more higher frequencies resonate in smaller cavities. That's why head voice resonates in our head, because the cavities are smaller. And chest voice resonates in our chest because the cavity is bigger. The same with guitars. Bigger guitars are more bassy, and smaller guitars they have more ringing sound. Okay, higher frequencies resonate in smaller cavities, like with guitars. But all this doesn't mean that when we sing in our head voice, it doesn't mean that our vocal cords move to our head. And of course, it doesn't mean that our vocal cords move to our chest when we sing in our chest voice. Our vocal cords are always in our Adam's apple, of course. But how is the sound created? To sing in our head voice, only vocal cords create this sound. When the vocal cords, as I mentioned in my video about mixed voice, when the vocal cords close only with their edges, it creates head voice, very light voice, only edges. When our vocal cords close with the full surface, it creates a fuller tone, it creates chest voice. And again, it's called chest and head only because chest resonates in our chest and head voice resonates in our head only because of the size of the resonators. So we made it clear what are the resonators and what are the registers. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you and give you a fuller picture of singing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.